Hi guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. I took a couple of weeks off for a break, but I'm back with today's video, and that is I guess I would call it an update for moving in. So we bought our house 2 years ago, just a little over 2 years ago. I have had a request to do home tour, kind of like decor. So I thought I would just give you guys an updated home tour. Hope you enjoy it. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. Here we are in the entryway, and there's my big boy Nanook relaxing. All my decor, I do want to say, is summer. It's still summer here. I live in Texas. It's very hot. I am getting excited to start decorating for fall, but that'll probably be at the start of September. This is my entryway table that I got off of Amazon, and I just have this flower garland on it with this faux plant, orchid plant, because I cannot keep orchids alive for some reason. And then just a couple of little signs to make it look homely, and a Bath and Body candle. Down here I have just some, actually these are engagement photos of my husband and I. This cross was used in our wedding, and then another photo, and oh, I need to dust. I need to dust. This mirror is from TJ Maxx. I found it years ago, really inexpensive. I don't know, maybe like $40 or $50, but I still love it and use it. Now we're gonna go off to the bedrooms over here. So this room is actually my daughter's room. We are not going to see that. She doesn't want anyone in there. And honestly, it's pretty messy. Here on the walls, I have photos from our wedding and just like family photos. This sign is from Target. It's very old as well. And it's just kind of like a photo gallery wall. The same thing on this side. Wedding photos, family photos, stuff like that. This is me when I think I was like, I have no idea how old I was actually. I should ask my mom. Super old picture. Okay, now we're going into the bathroom. I really haven't changed too many things in the bathroom since we moved in, but there are a lot of stuff that I do want to add to it. For example, I would love to frame the mirror. And there's a wall in here that I would like to add some decorations, but I haven't done so. Here I did put these shelves in, and they've been there pretty much a while now, but I think they're super cute, and I just style them a little different sometimes, but pretty much they stay very consistent. And then over here I just have this little gray tray, kind of like a marble tray with some jars with bath salts there, my daughter's toothbrush. This is the wall that I want to add something to. I have seen something at Target that I want to get. I'll insert a picture of it because I think it's kind of cute. I think it would definitely add to the bathroom. Okay, moving along to my office slash our guest room. This room serves as like my office slash guest room. I have used it as a guest room a couple of times. We don't have guests very often, but when we do, this pulls out into a bed. I move the bike all the way to the wall, and it's pretty comfortable actually for people. So that's what we use here. On this side, I just have like a little nightstand table with some decor. I did make a video on decorating this room. I'll link it below for you. There are a couple of changes since then, and I'll let you guys know in a second, but this wall did stay the same. So it's just kind of like a little cute gallery wall, and that's a fake plant. I don't have very many fake plants in the house, but I do have a couple. I would probably put a real plant, but this space is so narrow that that's the only thing that would work there. On this side, I have my Peloton bike, which I completely love and totally recommend. I use it all the time. I would say like anywhere from 3 to 5 times a week. And I put this mirror there so I can see myself when I'm working out. And I just have some twinkle lights. What is different in this room, I bought this like TV stand at Target. I bought a TV for the room. I used to come in here all the time and hang out with my dog Rocky, but he recently passed away, so I really don't use it that much anymore, but when we have guests, they definitely use it. Moving along to the living room and dining room. Since we moved in, we did get a brand new couch, and it is from, I'll put the store on the screen. I don't remember exactly where my husband got it from, but it's kind of like the Restoration Hardware couch. It's like super comfortable, kind of like pillow toppy. We never got an ottoman or a new coffee table. This is actually old from our last couch. We just haven't found anything that we love, so we've kept this for a while. I always have this little tray that I change out depending on the season. I will have a bunch of pumpkins and Halloween stuff on it soon, but for now it still has summer decorations. These two pillows are from Home Goods and this one's from Target. The blankets are from West Elm. And then I have a gallery wall here also. My husband and I love to travel, so I decided to put a map of the world, though this isn't a very good map, but I just liked it went with the decorations of the house. And I framed a bunch of our photos from like really awesome places that we've been. So for example, Paris and Rome, and we were in Thailand. And then on this side, we were in Dublin and San Francisco. So I really like this wall a lot. I think it's really cute. On this side of the living room, what is different is this mantle. It was not in my house previously or when we moved in. My husband built it for us from scratch, which is totally amazing. And then I have our fireplace stuff here, some little lanterns and plants. And then this is my summer kind of mantle decor. I did do a video on that. I'll link all the videos that are related to like my home. Actually, I made a playlist I'll share with you guys, and all the like home decorating videos will be there. On this side, I have this shelf that I bought at Rooms To Go, and I just like the shape when I saw it, and I definitely change out some of the items per the season. Right now, like I mentioned, it's still summer season, so oh no, I think I killed this. Ugh. But it's just really colorful and a lot of greenery. This one doesn't look like it's doing well. I have trouble with like cactuses and succulents. I can't keep them alive. Moving along to this corner, I do have a lot of plants in the house. I love plants. I have killed a lot of plants, unfortunately, but some of them are thriving. So here's a cluster of them over here. And then I have this wood sign from Target and just a couple more clusters here. Over here, I have this little extra seating area. It reminds me of Paris, and that's why I wanted it. It's just a little bistro table with some chairs. I used to have it outside, but we got a pool, so that's also different that you'll be seeing soon in the video. Here I have this little tray. This is definitely old. It's been here pretty much since day one. I think my daughter chipped this when I was out of town. She won't admit to it, but I know I didn't buy it like that. Over here I have a mirror that I purchased at the store Hobby Lobby, I believe. And then here is our dining area. I love to decorate tablescapes per theme, but right now it's pretty plain. I just have a couple of things over here on the like buffet table. So like I mentioned, I love plants, have a bunch of them everywhere. And since it is summer, I have the flamingos out and some pineapple stuff back there. And then that little stand is from Hobby Lobby. The mirror is from Pier 1, I believe. No, World Market. Yeah, probably World Market. And then I have just a little tray with some plants and photos. Over here is my fiddle leaf fig. It is doing so good, you guys. I'm so proud of myself. It's thriving. Finally got one to start growing. The leaves are just gorgeous. Over here, I have like a little bar cart section, and I have all our alcohol displayed. Well, not all of it, but some of it. And some other little items. I think bar cards are just really cute. Moving on to the kitchen, it's pretty much the same. We haven't really changed anything out in here. I do change out what I have displayed on the shelf per the season. So right now it's definitely still very summer, colorful. Soon it's gonna be pumpkins and Halloween. Over here is our little coffee station. It's looking pretty basic because I used to have like Sunday bar stuff and I just removed it. And I just think it looks a little plain, to be honest, but that's fine. Okay, here is the washroom, which I also did a video on changing. And I'm sorry the lighting is really yellow in here, but I did do a whole video on making it just look a little cuter. So still up, I still love it. What needs work is this pantry, and it is my goal to organize it as well someday soon. I will make a video of it when I do. I just haven't had the time or energy, honestly, but needs a lot of work here. I'll take you into my garage. I don't know if I've ever shared my garage, and honestly, it's probably a little messy right now, but on this side is my home gym. I have a treadmill, weights, a squat rack, steps, and things like that when I want to work out. Up above the garage is how I store all my decor. So I get that question a lot, how I store all my decor for all the seasons. It's up there, and then I also have this side which has like Christmas, pool stuff. I can park in here. I haven't parked in here a while though, because my husband got this new tool thing that we need to organize and kind of push back, but I can park here when I need to. We did try to maximize the space by putting everything on shelves or on the wall, and then that way I can use like this to park my car, and then this area to work out, and then this side needs a little bit of organization, but otherwise this is the garage. Okay, now we're outside to my outdoor living space. Again, I filmed some videos on this. All of them will be linked below, but this is our little covered patio area. There's my baby Sebastian. I got all this stuff, and I'm talking all the stuff, at Target. Most of it is from when we first moved in, but what is new is this carpet. I feel like the carpets only last probably like 2 years, and we had the last one for 2 years, so I changed it to this one, which I really love. This one's from Opal House. I think the camera lens was getting a little foggy. It is so humid today. Oh, there's a bird. I hate birds. Well, I mean, they poop everywhere, that's why. Okay, so here's a look. Oh, I have that owl to get rid of the birds, actually. But here's a look of, here's kind of a view of the covered patio part from outside of it. This is a heater for when it gets cold, though. And then this is actually a fire pit, and we like make s'mores. I have that to keep the birds away from pooping. Okay, and then I'm back under the covered patio. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me with like the little water shooters we have for the pool, but this is the outdoor dining area, which I've had for quite some time now. We did entertain yesterday, so it might be a little dirty. Over here, I have the like tanning bed area, and we use this area so much over the summer. And in Texas, literally the summer starts probably like April till October, so we're definitely getting a lot of use of the area. My husband barbecues all the time. And then what is different from when we moved in also is we did put up a taller fence because we wanted a little more privacy. I do love tropical plants. I love just like, my inspiration is kind of like Tulum, tropical vibes. So we have planted lots of banana plants and palm trees. So that's what you see here. I wanted to add in a quick little nighttime view of the pool area because I think it looks really pretty at night. I did cover the furniture, so I usually cover the furniture that is in the direct sunlight because the sun will just tear up your furniture, so I recommend covering it. I cover them like during the week when I know I'm not going to really use the pool, and so even these lounge chairs have covers, and then I bring the umbrella in because it's black and it will basically fade to like gray if I don't. And this is the pool at night. I think it's really magical. It looks beautiful. We have lights in the pool that change. And then over here, one of my favorite little things is my little Buddha. So these little pool lights change color and the Buddha's lit up, and then over here we have these little lights. They're just like solar lights, and they kind of put a light to the palm trees. You can kind of see it. And then around the entire pool we just strung some lights, and I think it looks really cute at night. And then yeah, this is the patio lit up. Okay, so for real, that is the end of the home tour. I did leave out the master bedroom. It's not very clean. It's like in the making of having a makeover anyway, so I'll have to film that another time. But thank you so much for watching my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!